Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ryan Turley here, and today I'm going to be showing you the complete unboxing, building, and initial review of the CHAR-GRILLER Grand Champ Offset Smoker. This is one you're not going to want to miss. Let's go. So we're going to jump right into the unboxing. And do yourself a favor, read the instructions and grab a Phillips head screwdriver, a hammer, pliers, and a 7/16 inch nut driver. This offset smoker is really heavy, about 250 pounds split across these two boxes. And I want to be completely transparent. I have partnered up with CHAR-GRILLERS on a series of videos for this year. They did send me this offset smoker, but they're not paying me, and all the opinions on this video are my own. And to be honest, I am so stoked on this thing. It came together super quick, probably under 2 hours, even with the filming and repositioning of the camera. And one word of advice is do not tighten all the screws at the beginning. There are some slight adjustments that will need to be made to the legs, as well as this shelf here down at the bottom. So keep your screws a little tight, but still some wiggle room, and then crank them down at the end. Now we throw on the wheels and get this laid down and then lifted upright. I'm about 6 feet tall, $175. I was able to handle this no problem. Now we apply the handles and the thermometer. I do plan on adding 1 or even 2 more thermometers to the bottom just to get a better idea of where my temps are at in my cooking chamber. Now we add on the side handle and smokestack. Here's a quick shot of the smokestack damper. Now for the side firebox assembly. First we tighten the door handle. There's also a side firebox support bracket that really helps square this up. This was probably the most challenging part of the entire build because I had to support this 40-pound side firebox with a stool while trying to screw it into the main chamber. And here is the side firebox damper. Now the rest of this came together super quick. Here we are throwing in the ash pan and charcoal grate, and then installing the front folding shelf. Finally, the cooking grates, smoke basket, and some final bells and whistles. So here we go with the CHAR-GRILLER Grand Champ Offset Smoker. So I'll give you a little run through here. This is the offset box. So this is where all of your charcoal and hardwood are gonna go. We do have this basket that is removable. And then this whole ash pan can slide right out. Super easy to drain your ash. And then your smoke and heat are all gonna funnel right in through here into your main cooking chamber. Really nice, really heavy grates. We've got this upper grate, which is removable. So if you are smoking something like a turkey or a prime rib, you can just remove this top grate. And remove both of these. Here's your heat deflector. So this will drive all the smoke and heat down and through instead of just going directly up and out. And this whole drip pan here is removable as well. Really heavy duty. This whole unit is about 250 pounds, and we're working with about 1/8 of an inch thick steel. It's going to maintain and retain heat really, really well. And we'll be controlling that heat with the smokestack damper and firebox damper. I am so stoked to use the CHAR-GRILLER Grand Champ Offset Smoker. So next I'm going to be seasoning this offset smoker so that we can get it ready for smoking. So if you haven't already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss another upload. Anyways, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you all have an awesome day, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.